Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. So in the first step, hold the finger on the empty place on the screen, and now we can go to the wallpaper and style. There you can change your color palette. This is the system color accents, so we can just tap on the color palette switcher and now just choose the basic colors or the wallpaper. Choose your favorite one and click on apply. Now we should have new color in the menu and in the settings, etc. After that, now it's time for the widgets, so just tap on the widgets, expand the app that you want to add to your widget, hold this and swipe to the home screen, choose the place for it. You can also change the size of it by swiping the edges, or if you want to remove that, just hold the finger and just remove. That's it. If you want to make any folder, just hold in the app and drop onto another. Now we have a new folder, so you can add a name here, click on the plus to add more apps, and you can also change the color of the folder, like a yellow for example. Click on the done, and that's it. In the next step we're going to settings, so there you can switch your home screen layout and the grid if you want to change the amount of the application in the rows and in the columns. This is how it works. You can also enable or disable the Google Discover. This is the -1 screen on the left side always, so you can switch it to the Samsung free and Google Discover. I just switched off. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.